Affiliate marketing recommendations that functions for you. One of the most crucial aspects of any effective business is its customers. Organizations must continuously generate brand new clients to see development in profits and their overall business. One method businesses get brand new consumers is by utilizing affiliate marketing. If you think affiliate marketing can stimulate your service, then have a look at the following tips. One of the very best things that you can do if you wish to learn about affiliate marketing is to take a class in a nearby college on this topic. This will assist you in acquiring the understanding of what is necessary to have success in this field and will permit you to maximize your direct exposure. Construct your own blog site based on your selected specific niche. Most of the short article directory sites will not enable you to consist of any affiliate links, so you need an intermediary. Producing a blog site that covers a more comprehensive topic area offers you ways to publish a group of different affiliate links without having to make a separate website for each item you wish to promote. When picking a username for online forums or social media, keep it sweet and short. It needs to include your website's keywords, but should likewise make good sense as a username and not look like it's stuffed with marketing terms. The more catchy it is, the better, as people will remember it and pass it on to family and friends. Your affiliate site supplies your income, so you have to be sure it works completely. It is likewise sensible to select a hosting company that provides the customer service you require. The only items you ought to sell through affiliate links are those that you understand to do what they are and declare made with high-quality parts. A product that measures up to its buzz and lasts a very long time will give your readers complete reliance on your suggestions, motivating them to buy through your site again. Inspect your site in every single internet browser to ensure your affiliate marketing links are displaying as you want them to. That consists of monitoring on mobile phones and tablets, as many individuals are now changing to using these brand new gadgets much more than they are utilizing their laptop computers or desktop computers. Write articles about the services or items you are promoting and include your affiliate links in them, then build backlinks to the articles. This is a good affiliate marketing technique, as the backlinks will assist your posts to get a greater ranking on search engine results pages, suggesting you will get more organic, targeted traffic to your affiliate links. Clients are essential for the growth and survival of any organization. In order to bring in new consumers, lots of services use affiliate marketing. Utilizing the tips provided in this post, you can start to benefit from affiliate marketing and increase your profits. One method businesses acquire brand new consumers is by using affiliate marketing. If you think affiliate marketing can stimulate your service, then check out the following tips. In order to draw in brand new consumers, numerous businesses use affiliate marketing. Using the ideas supplied in this article, you can begin to take benefit of affiliate marketing and increase your profits. Thank you for looking at my video. Ian Jackson.